They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up the ride like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a I lost myself once more. I'm doing this eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and at first y'all might notice that the look does not look like this, but that is why I went live right now after I recorded this video. And I was looking straight down onto my acrylic drawers, and I looked at this glitter that I had purchased from Shop Miss A, and it is the crystal powder in rose quartz or quartz. It is just looks like this, and I'm scared to open it because I had spilled it. But it is kind of the same color as the eyeshadow that I used for my lid. But just in case if you want to add a little bit of glitter to this look like I did, I just did not thought of that when I recorded this video. But just so y'all know, if y'all have this glitter, y'all can go ahead and pop that on there, and you're gonna end up something like this. So I'm so sorry that I did not insert that video on, that clip on this one. But if y'all want to go see my live, I kind of did it halfway through the live. But yeah guys, I did pop on some glitter. I think that makes the whole look pop a little bit more, and it looks way better. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then please make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so I think my lighting is way better today. I hope so, because I am trying so hard. So today we're going to be going ahead okay, we're going to go ahead and be using the Athena palette from Bad Habit. This is supposed to be the dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. Just take it out. So this is what it looks like, and I just uploaded the haul yesterday, which is Friday. But maybe this video is going up today, Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure yet. This is the Bad Habit Athena palette. This is such a good pigmented palette. I have not played around with it. I just swatched it in my video, and there's already fallout all over the place. So for setting down my lid, I'm going to take Purity right here. I did put some concealer on my eyes already, and I used the L'Oreal concealer, infallible concealer, and just set down my eye. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm gonna go ahead and go with Velour, which is this peachy kind of color. Let's take my E127 brush. This is just a fluffy brush, and just by the seams of it, it is a lot of fallout. So I'm gonna just go ahead and slightly tap my brush, because it seems like it does pick up a lot of product on it, and I want to go a little bit by little with this color, just to see how it builds up. So I'm going to just go in with big circular motions, just trying to blend this color as much as possible and try to build it up as much as I can. For the next shade, I'm going to be taking Heroic right here, and I love this shade. I'm going to be taking, it's a no brand, so it's just a kind of skinny, small, tapered brush. And I'm going to just go ahead and take just a little bit and go ahead and focus this on my outer corner. So I'm going to just go ahead and try to pack that color on first and blend it out right here in my outer corner. And then from there, we're going to take it slightly into the crease. Should I have tap out my brush a little bit more? For the next color, I want to go ahead and do the same thing just to make it a little bit deeper, because Hairwick, I hope that's how you pronounce it, seems like it kind of blends a little bit more towards the other color. So I'm going to take a little bit of Clever, and I'm just taking a little small tapered brush, and wow, that's a lot, and I just slightly tap it, and that is a lot. So we really want to tap off all that excess. I want to go ahead and build up this color little by little. I don't want to go ahead and go with a lot of color in my outer corner, because then it's going to be pretty hard to blend out. So we're going to go ahead and build up that color on our outer V once more, but just a little bit, you know, just slightly, little by little. Seems like it builds up pretty easy, but it's just a lot of kickback right there on the palette. Kind of show y'all what I mean. But I mean, it's manageable. It's just you have to tap off the brush like a lot, because the color picks up so much. It's like all over my desk. It just seems like my left eye does not want to blend with the other color. Now that that is already set, like I said, I focused that Clever color right there on my outer crease. It's just this eye, I don't know what is going on with this eye today. My brows just not want to work, and this eye does want to work, and that's the side that usually does not work. So I'm going to go ahead and take a flat brush, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. And I'm going to be taking my NYX HD concealer in CW04 in color beige. And I'm going to just go ahead and try to do a half cut crease, and this brush is too big. Okay, I'm going to take this one. This one is a little bit smaller, I think. So I want to go ahead and do a half cut crease, because I do want to really go in with those glitter kind of shadows. So I'm going to take the E131 from AOA, and I'm going to go ahead and take my Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. Dewy. And I'm going to just go ahead and slightly wet my brush, and I'm going to go ahead and wet Epic. And it is this one right here, that color, it is just beautiful. And I'm going to just kind of set that concealer with this one. It seems like this brush does not want to work with the shadow. I'm going to try another brush, because it seems like this brush does not want to work with it. I'm going to go in with my Step 1 for the Money, the Vintage Cosmetics brush. And I'm going to just go ahead and take that same color Epic, and I'm going to just try it dry, because it seems like it does not want to pick up on my AOA brush. Okay, I think this brush is a little bit better. Okay, going in with a Wet n Wild brush, I'm going to go ahead and mix Velour and Hairwick. That's a weird name. I'm going to take these both shades. Oh my god! These both shades right here. And I'm going to take it in with my Wet n Wild brush. And I'm going to just kindly tap off the excess. And I'm going to just blend in that color in with that shade that we just placed, just to make it look, it's a little bit seamless. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the AOA E128, and it seems like it's dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it off with AOA brush cleaner, just to take whatever shadow it had on here. So I'm going to take Wisdom which is this shade right here, and it's a deep plummy shade. And I'm gonna just go ahead and take a little bit on my brush and go ahead and try to blend Wisdom with that other color we placed on our lid. Just kind of to make it seamlessly. Way better. Okay, that color, it is just beautiful. So I did not notice that I did not record while putting on my wing liner and my lashes. So by the time I finished all that, I noticed that my camera was not recording. But still, I'll go ahead and leave all the products that I use in the description box. For my bottom lash line, we're gonna go ahead and go back with the Athena palette, and I'm gonna just take the vintage smudge brush, and I think I'm gonna go in with velour again, that peachy color. And after that one, I think I'm gonna go in with Heroic just to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and in with Heroic and try to put that straight up to my under lash line. That is so pretty. Okay, let's just leave it like that because I don't want to mess with it anymore because it looks good right now. So for my upper brow bone highlight, I'm gonna go in with Purity once more. Since it is just a bone color, I'm gonna just go in and, you know, highlight my brow bone with that one. For my inner highlights, I really want to go in with this color, but I don't know. And with Fierce, which is this first color right there, and I'm gonna just take it on a little brush, and I'm gonna just go ahead and try to inner highlight my inner corner. This color is so pretty for an inner highlight. For a lash line, I either wanted to go for my waterline, I really wanted to go in with a gold or a brown, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and take black. And this liner, it is from Wet n Wild. This is their, I think this is their gel liner. It feels like gel, so I'm not sure. But it's just the Wet n Wild On Edge Long Wearing Eye Pencil Crayon, and You're My Yin. For bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. You already know this is my favorite one. Just to go ahead and finish up the look. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the end of the look, and I am really like super really loving this look. I am obsessed with this look. Overall, this palette, it is, oh my god, like, no wonder y'all requested a video so bad on the Huda Beauty dupe, because almost half of y'all told me that y'all wanted to see a tutorial on this one, and girl, I see why. I love this palette. I think these shades, mostly this one right here, this is the one, what is that, Clever seemed that it is pigmented. Like, all the colors are super pigmented. Like, I did not have a problem building them up, but it just seems like this color only is the one that had a lot of pickup on my brush, and it was super powdery. But other than that, I really enjoy all these colors. I think for $14, I'm obsessed with this palette now. I mean, $14 was like a good investment on this palette, because I don't have nothing in my collection that looks like this, and I always wanted the Huda Beauty palette, but $65, that is just a lot. Other than that, this whole palette 100% recommend y'all guys. This is a pretty good palette. I had fun trying this, you know, this kind of look, because I never tried these kind of colors, mostly like that this one right here. I never tried it. I just thought that it's just, I don't know. I'm gonna be trying out more palettes, like I told y'all in the intro. If I told y'all in the intro, I'm not sure yet. But I'm gonna record 1 or 2 more looks today. You know, that's enough with the Huda Beauty. I give y'all you know, a makeup look. I'm trying to do 1 or 2 more videos today, so I can put during the week, so y'all can see how these products work. I gotta tell y'all in the video, I tried the Honolulu bronzer. Girls, I am amazed with this bronzer. That's what I have on right now, and oh my god, I'm gonna hit pan on this one so quick, and it looks like it has a lot of product in it. Oh my god, for my first bronzer, I'm amazed with this one. Once they come back on stock, I'm gonna purchase like 2 or 3 of them, I think for $7. It is amazing. I'm gonna be using this one throughout my tutorials for the Hush videos, because I really want to work with it more, see how long it wears, because right now I cannot even wear it, because as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm gonna take off this makeup. But other than that, I really highly recommend the bronzer and this makeup palette. It is amazing, guys. If y'all have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and if y'all have not seen my Hush haul, I'll go ahead and leave it in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, as also as the notification bell, because we've been having problems that people have not been getting notified when I upload or go live. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it, and I'll go ahead and see y'all on my next makeup tutorial for the Hush palette. So bye, guys.